In a world where land meets sea, where elements collide in harmony, one person stands amidst the beauty of nature. Behold the graceful hunter of the skies, the kestrel, soaring effortlessly against the backdrop of the boundless horizon. Seagulls dance on the ocean breeze, their wings outstretched in silent poetry. Amongst the rugged terrain, the stone shat proudly displays its vibrant plumage, a symbol of resilience in the face of nature's challenges. The turnstone, a master of variation, explores the ever-changing landscape, its quest for nourishment mirrored in the ebb and flow of the tides. In the tranquil shallows, the redshank finds solace, its elegant form a testament to the delicate balance of life in the coastal ecosystems. A vision of purity emerges, the little egret, a vision of grace against the shoreline of the serene coast. Two souls blended in the dance of nature, the little egret and the oyster catcher, each playing their part in the timeless symphony of life. The pied wagtail flits and flutters, a burst of joy in the tapestry of the tide line. Against the rugged backdrop of the coast, the rock pipit stands as a sentinel, its song a melody of resilience. The haunting call of the curlew echoes across the sand, a reminder of the wild's enduring spirit. The gentle guardians of the land, the ponies graze freely, their presence a timeless reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. As the sun sets on this fleeting moment in time, we are reminded of the beauty that surrounds us, the beauty that whispers of a world waiting to be explored.